Alright then, just taking a quick look at Bitcoin on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, having an unbelievably amazing week over the past week or two now. Bitcoin here are very obviously forming a grinding to the upside trend line liquidity here. We come down, we sweep out all the longs, and then you can see the reversal has been pretty amazing all the way up to that liquidity at the all-time high. Pretty obvious stuff in hindsight, to be honest. If you look at I was actually calling for this pretty much back here when we started closing above these fair value gaps. I did say that Bitcoin is very, very likely to continue up here if we can rip through all these levels. I said once we got to this swing high here, we'd be pretty neutral, but as you can see, we just continued to the upside, ripping through all this liquidity, came to the new all-time high, and right now we are still caught between these two big bullish fair value gaps, this one here and this one here, currently bouncing out of this lower one right now and getting resisted at this upper one by the looks of things. We obviously had this punch up through the all-time high, we came down, bounced out of this fair value gap here, continued up to a new all-time high, and now we've retraced back to this area. Going to be interesting to see if we bounce and continue here, or if we do start to resist and do this. Either one of these things is probably a fair assumption at this point. Obviously getting a little bit overextended, we are at all-time highs here and probably could do with a bit of a pullback, maybe a consolidation. But right now Bitcoin really stealing the show. All the liquidity in the market looks like it's in Bitcoin right now. Altcoins in general really struggling to make any kind of moves to the upside, and Bitcoin here basically just looking like it's had an extremely bullish time of things, and it's probably going to have a little bit of a cooling off period. You can see these very, 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 very stark impulses, but we are finally starting to kind of slow down that momentum now, and we could do with maybe a little bit of consolidation here. Overall, I don't know what's going to happen next with Bitcoin, to be honest. I would predict probably we will have a pullback from here, but you never know with Bitcoin. It can sometimes just continue and rip to the upside when we make new all-time highs. Right now, I'd probably expect a little bit of a pullback like this, maybe back down to that 120k area and then get a bounce. But right now, Bitcoin looking really strong, and until we see these fair value gaps, these bullish fair value gaps being lost, maybe even this one below here as well, until we see these areas of liquidity being lost and we start doing this, I'm going to be bullish on Bitcoin until proven otherwise, because we are at all-time highs. So let's go and see what happens over the next week or so. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.